This is nira. I still don't know what's called in English. Maybe Chinese chive or similar to garlic chive. Glass noodle. Drain. Red cool a little. Ground chicken. Once the chicken white, add soy sauce, mirin, chicken stock, simmer for a minute. Black pepper, add glass noodle, nira, done! So easy. This is kind of diet dish, but it's still tasty. I usually enjoy this with rice. Always rice. I love rice. And I love toasted bread too. I love all kinds of food. Except sour cream. I hate sour cream.